2-digit number. Now see here. Suppose if the question is 317 whole square. 317 whole square. So one is, if it is A, it is B and it is C. I have to use A plus B plus C whole square. But Pascal gave it for a binomial expansion. Pascal gave it for A plus B power K. There are 3 terms here. This is the first doubt. A student might get it. What if it is a 3-digit number? What if it is a 3-digit number? This is the first doubt. A student might get it. What if it is a 4-digit number? What if it is a 5-digit number? What if it is a 5-digit number? This is the first doubt. Now see here. Listen, and the second doubt is, see here. Sir, is there any importance for A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. All these important key points, we are going to solve it. A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. What is B? B is nothing but the unit digit of a number. B is nothing but the unit digit of a number. B is nothing but the unit digit of a number. So B can be 0. B can be 1. B can be 2, B can be 3, B can be 4. First class, I will go very slow. Once you understand, B can be 4, B can be 5, B can be 6, B can be 7, B can be 8, and B can be 9. Am I right? B is the single digit. So these are all the cases which are possible. A with 9 whole square. There is no other value B can take. B being a single digit, it can take all the values from 0 to 9. It can take all the values from 0 to 9. Now see here. This will become very important understanding, sir. A square 2 into A into 0 and 0 square. A square 2 into A into 1 slash 1 square. A square 2 into A into 2 slash 2 square. A square 2 into A into 3 slash 3 square. A slash 4 whole square. A square 2 into A into B and B square. A square 2 into A into 5 slash 5 square. A square 2 into A into 6 slash 6 square. 7 square. A square 2 into A into B slash B square. 8 square. A square 2 into A into B slash 8 square. 9 square. A square 2 into A into B slash B square. Why am I writing all this? This is something which is very, very important to me. Very, very important to me. See here. B is the unit digit. So B can take all the values from 0 to 9. 0 into any number. 0. So if a perfect square is 0 whole square, if a unit digit is 0, on squaring, not only this 0, 10's place is also 0. 10 square 100, 20 square 400, 30 square 900. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. I hope the first conclusion is clear to you. A perfect square ends with even number of zeros. A with 1 whole square. 2 into any number, it is an even number. 2 into any number, even number. 1 square, it is 1. So the same unit digit will be written. 2 into any number, it is an even number. 2 into any number, it is an even number. Now see here. 2 into any number, it is an even number. 7 square is 49. 9 I will write 4 carried. 4 is an even number. Even plus even, it is also an even number. 2 into any number, even number. 8 square is 64. 64, write down 4. 6 carried. 6 is even. Even plus even, even. This is 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 always 0. 5 square is 25. 2 into 5, it is 10. Any number multiplied by 10, unit digit will be 0. 5 square is 25. 5, 2 carried. What is 0 plus 2? 2. If you see 2 into any number, even. 4 square 16, 6 1 carried, even plus 1, it is odd. 2 into any number, it is an even number. 6 square is 36, 6 3 carried, even plus odd, it is odd. One important conclusion. Now see here. A perfect square. What are some of the very, very important properties of perfect square? I hope the first one. A perfect square always ends with even number of zeros. A perfect square always ends with even number of zeros. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. A perfect square tens place is odd. A perfect square tens place is odd only when the unit digit is 6. A perfect square tens place is odd only when the unit digit is 6. Only when the unit digit is 6, tens place will be odd. See here, 4 square 16, 6, 1 carried, 1 plus even, it is odd. Next one, a perfect square, tens place is 2. Tens place is 2. Only one unit digit is 5. A perfect square, tens place is 2. Only one unit digit it is 5. Only one unit digit it is 5. Make a note of these 3 important key points. When we are solving problems, I will discuss in detail the importance of it. These 3 key points, just not in writing the key points, the best way to learn mathematics is understand all the possible unit digits. We can range from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also it is 2 into any number, even number. 9 square is 81, 1, 8 carried, 8 is an even number. Even number plus even number. We first discussed the square of a 2-digit number, then we are getting into a 3-digit number. Sir, should we use a plus b plus c whole square? First doubt. Are there any better ways to solve the problem? Next one. Sir, we discussed a plus b whole square. Are there any important properties that can be derived from these logic? Definitely yes. 3 important properties. A perfect square always ends with even number of zeros. A perfect square always ends with even zeros. A perfect square tens place will be odd only when the unit digit is 6. Third one, a perfect square tens place is 2 only when the unit digit is 5. These are must and should know properties related to perfect squares. There were some original questions like, how many 4-digit perfect squares are there where the first 2 digits are equal and the next 2 digits are equal? You can solve the question by using this one. Concept. We will see the concept. 2 methods you can solve to find the square of a 3-digit number. Method number 1. 117 whole square. 117 whole square. Now see here. We know the logic of a plus b whole square. Can I use a plus b whole square onto this one? So let me take a value 11 and b value 7. A value 11 and b value 7. That means I am using 11 into 10 plus 7. 110 plus 7 whole square is the logic which I am using. Sir, can I use like this? Method 2. 117 whole square. 117 whole square. If I divide into 1/17 square. 1/17 square. 3-digit numbers divided into 2 digits. First I took a value 2 digits, b value 1 digit. First I took a value 1 digit, b value 2 digits. It is nothing but 1 into 100 plus 17 whole square. One way is to write 110 plus 7 square. Another way is to write 100 plus 17 whole square. Sir, which method to choose depends upon the number that you are taking. First I will solve both the problems. These is nothing but a square. It is 11 square. Next is 2 into 11 into 7. Next is nothing but 7 square. 11 square is 121. 11s are 77, 2s are 154. 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49. Write 9. 4 carried. What is 154 plus 4? 158. 15 carried. 121 plus 15? 13689. Here B is taking single digits, so I wrote only single digit. It is nothing but A square. Next is 2AB. Next is 2AB and next one is B square. These two 17s are 34. 17 square is 289. 17 square is 289. B, how many digits it is taking right now? It is taking 2 digits right now. It is taking 2 digits. 100 plus 17 square. 100 square will give you 1 followed by 4 zeros. 2 into 17 into 100. 2 zeros plus 17 square 289. These is nothing but 100 square, 1 followed by 4 zeros. Next it is 3400. Next it is 289. 89 plus 00 plus 89. 89. That is the reason 89 is written in simple language. If B is taking 1 digit, write down 1 digit in every place except the leftmost place. If B is taking 2 digits, write down 2 digits. 34 plus 2, 36, 13689. 13689. Please write down that point, sir. If B is taking K digits, all the places other than the leftmost place. If B is taking K digits, all the places other than the leftmost place. How many digits it should have? K digits it should have. If B is taking 1 digit, every place take the unit digit in the answer. Anil sir, why it is happening? It is happening because of 100 plus 17 square. 100 square is 1 followed by 4 zeros. 2 into 17 into 100 is 3400 plus 289. Write only 2 digits. 89, 2 carried, 34 plus 2. Please put a star mark on this point. If you are taking B into 3 digits, except the leftmost place, every place should have 3 digits. I hope the idea it is clear. 414 square. If B is taking K digits, all the places other than the leftmost place, it will have K digits. Idea clear, right? Now let us solve 414 square. Sir, there are 2 methods are there. Which method to be used? One method is 41 with 4. One method is 41 with 4, dividing 3 digits into 2 digits. Next one it is 4 with 14. Next one it is 4 with 14 square. 14 square is easy compared to 41 square. I hope it is clear. So you will divide it into 2 digits depending upon which one will take less time to solve. There is no particular, it all depends upon the number. Suppose if it is 389 square is there, you can divide into 2 digits. One is 38 with 9 and another is 3 with 89. So 38 square and 89 square. Which one you think you can do fast? That method, please use it. It is an individual choice. So for me, 41 as of now is a little difficult. So what I'll do is, I will take 4 with 14 square. 4 with 14 square. A square. Next is nothing but 2AB. And next is nothing but B square. 4 square is 16. 56 2s are 112. 14 square is 196. 14 square is 196. Write down the last 2 digits. Why? Because B is taking 2 digits. 96, 1 carried. 13, 1 carried. 16 plus 1 is 17. Answer for 414 whole square is 171396. Answer for 414 whole square is 171396. Answer for 117 whole square is 13689. Again I am explaining. 414 square divide into two parts. A is 4 and B is 14. A square 2ab and b square. 4 square is 16. 56 2s are 112. 14 square is 196. Here b is taking 2 digits. So 96 is written in the answer. 1 is carried forwarded. 112 plus 1 is 113. What are the last 3 digits? 2 digits in 113? 13. 1 carried. What is 16 plus 1? 17. 16 plus 1? 17. I hope 317 square. 317 square is A is 31 and B is 7. When A is 3 or B is 17 square. 31 square is little dicey, even though it is easy. Once you know a shortcut, right now we will go with 17 square. A square, next is 2AB, and the next one is B square. And the next one is b square. 3 square is 9. 2 3s are 6. 6 17s are 102. 17 square is 289. Here b is taking 2 digits. So 89 carried, 2 89 written, 2 carried, 104 1 carried. 9 plus 1 it is 10. 9 plus 1 it is nothing but 10. 9 plus 8 it is 10. Just by looking at the question you will say this is the method that can be used here. This is the drawback of this problem. That is the reason this method can be used. You can also teach entire number system in the most systematic way and probably earn minimum 20 to 30,000 rupees if you listen to all my classes. 996 square. Now there is a problem with this one. Suppose if I do either 99 with 6 square or 9 with 96 square, or 9 with 96 square, 9 with 96 square. Here I have to do 99 square. See the calculation. 2 into 99 into 6 slash 6 square. This is nothing but 9 square. 2 into 9 into 96 slash 96 square. Solving 99 square, multiplying it 99 with 2 and 6. These are all calculation. More times it will take. So a plus b whole square is not the best logic to find the square of any number. It is an introductory logic. Introductory logic to find the square of a number. But for all the problems, this a plus b whole square is not the best logic. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose for example 789 it is there. 789. 78 with 9 square and 7 with 89 square. 7 with 89 square. 78 square and 89 square. Both are little difficult to compute. This is the drawback of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a logic which is used to find the square of a number. But for a few numbers it is not the best logic. It is nothing but a feasible solution. Feasible solution. What do you mean by feasible solution? A method to solve a problem, but it is not an optimal solution. What do you mean by optimal solution? A method which is used to solve a problem and which takes less time and less steps. Less time and less steps. That is called an optimal solution. First we discussed the method to find the square of a number. Now we will attack the optimal solution. I hope it is clear. Everybody understood the drawback of a plus b whole square. For a 2-digit number we did it. For a 3-digit number we did it. Then as the number of digits increases, a plus b whole square might not give you the logic. Might not give you the logic in less time. Might not give you the logic in less time. Then concept 2. Concept 2, which is nothing but a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Minus b square, if I push it to the right side, it is a minus b into a plus b. plus b square. This is another method to find the square of a number. This is another method to find the square of a number. Minus b square, if it comes to the right hand side, it will become a minus b into a plus b square. A square is a minus b into a plus b square. For example, 91 whole square, it is there. 91 whole square. 91 whole square. 91 is nearer to which power of 10? 91 is nearer to 100. A is nothing but the given number. A is 91. B is nothing but the difference between number and assumed base. 91 and 100, it is 9. So 91 minus 9 into 91 plus 9 plus 9 square. Plus 9 square. 91 minus 9 is 82. 91 plus 9 is 100. 9 square is 81. 82, 81. 82, 81. What is the first thing here? B is nothing but the difference between. B is the difference between. B is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. B is the difference between number and assumed base. Number and assumed base. First take a number. Take a number. Check whether this number is nearer to power of 10. 91, 100. Difference is 9. 91 minus 9. 91 plus 9 plus 9 square. 91 minus 9 is 82. 91 plus 9 is 100. Any number multiplied by power of 10. Last two digits is nothing but adding zeros. 8200 plus 81. 82, 81. 82, 81. 82, 81. Second, the question where we realized that it is taking more time. 996 is nearer to 1000. A is 996. 996,000. Difference is 4. 996 minus 4 into 996 plus 4 plus 4 square. So these are nothing but 992 into 1000 is 3 zeros. Plus 16. So answer is 992016. 992016. 992016. Abhishek, I already discussed at the beginning of the class. You got any technical help? Kindly take my number and WhatsApp me. This is the first class. First class we are taking. Any such issue it is there, I will personally speak to the Careerville development team if anything is there. This is something I said at the beginning of the class. I am also more than happy. I will be helping the students. You got, in case if it is not playing in laptop, it's an issue to me. I have made it mark of it. Right after the class, I will speak to the Careerville team and I will get back to you in session number 2. I'm sure right now on session number 1, you can watch the class in mobile. Anything that you wanted to mention, my little request to all the enrolled students, anything academic doubts, put it in comment. Anything non-academic, kindly send a WhatsApp to me. Kindly send a WhatsApp to me. I want the comment box when the class is on is nothing but only academics. I just don't want to discuss anything related to non-academics. Definitely there could be some technical issues. Kindly WhatsApp it. After the class is there, more than you, I take the ownership of every issue or a challenge which is happening. Abhishek, kindly listen to the session number 1. After the class, I will speak to the Careerville team and I should get back to you. Kindly WhatsApp this one. WhatsApp this. The same issue in the mobile. Let me listen to their side of the story and then I will get back to you. Either in WhatsApp or in the class I will discuss. Any student got any doubt? Any student got any doubt? B is nothing but the difference between the number and assumed base. B is the difference between the number and assumed base. B is the difference between the number and the assumed base. B is the difference between the number and the assumed base. I hope the concept is clear. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Third one, please drop your pens. Try to say this answer orally. 98 whole square, let us do. 98 square. Step number 1. Just look at me. 98 is nearer to 100. 98 minus 2. 96. 100 is 2 zeros. 2 square 4. 4 in a 2 digit it is 9604. 2604. 992 whole square. Try to solve it orally. 992 is nearer to which number? 1000. 992,000. 8 difference. 992 minus 8. 984. 1000 is 3 zeros. 8 square is 64. So answer for this question is 984064. 984064. A doubt a student might ask, Anil sir, you took all the numbers which are nearer to power of 10. Can I use this logic for any number? Can I use this logic for any number? Now see here. 62 square. 62 is nearer to which multiple of 10? Which is 60. Which is nothing but A is 62. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 62, 60. Difference is 2. 62 minus 2 into 62 plus 2. Plus 2 square, which is 60 into 64 plus 4. 3844. Anil sir, can't I take 70? 70 also you can take. 62 minus 8. 62 plus 8. Plus 8 square. Plus 8 square. That also should give you the answer 3844. That also should give you the answer 3844. Sir, instead of 60 and 70, can I take 63? That also will give you the answer. Only the multiplication time will be little more. Only the multiplication time will be little more. Again, I am explaining. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B square. A is the given number for which the square needs to be computed. B is the number near difference between number and assumed base. Sir, should I take 91 minus 100 or 100 minus 91? It makes no difference, because A minus B will become A plus B will become A minus B. It is the absolute difference. It makes no difference. Even if you subtract 100 minus 91, 9, or 91 minus 100. B one time it will become minus B. A plus B into A minus B. Everybody, you can ask me a doubt in this concept. Is everything clear to you? A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. Minus B square comes to the right side. A minus B into A plus B square. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 9100. What is the difference? 9. 91 minus 9. 91 plus 9 square. 82, 81. 996 and 1000. Difference is 4. 996 minus 4, 996 plus 4 square, which is 9920.